What if I told you that you don't need money to completely transform your appearance, like fast? No expensive products, no shopping, no glow up budget, just you. Today I'm going to show you how to upgrade your look using what you already have.
Great! Yay!
Hello baby, my name is Linda. I hope you're feeling beautiful, sexy, amazing, and ready for today's video. So let's begin. Posture can completely transform how people see you.
Oh my god, what is happening?
Standing straight makes you look confident and elegant instantly. Your shoulders should be relaxed, not tense or stiff. Lift your chin slightly to create a graceful presence. Even simple outfits look more expensive with good posture. Believe me. A good tip here is practice walking like you own the room. Slowly and intentionally. Confidence starts in your body before it shows on your face. You don't need expensive products to make it look good. Brush it regularly, keep it clean and fresh. Simple hairstyles like buns, braids, or ponytails can look beautiful. Use a little water or oil to control frizz naturally. Find a hairstyle that frames your face nicely. Well-kept hair gives you an instant polished glow. Focus on cleansing your face consistently every day. Use water, gentle soap, and keep your skin hydrated. Cold water can help reduce puffiness and refresh your face. Avoid touching your face too much during the day. Okay, this is very important. Healthy skin makes you look naturally radiant. Glowing skin always looks more powerful than heavy makeup. Shower regularly and take care of your body daily. Keep your nails clean. Yes, very important. This tip is very important. And trimmed at all times. Brush your teeth and maintain fresh breath. Clean clothes also play a big role in your appearance. Smelling fresh boosts your confidence instantly. A clean girl always stands out without trying too hard. Yes. It's all about how you wear what you already have, baby. Tuck in your shirts to define your shape. Roll sleeves or adjust lengths for a better fit. Choose simple color combinations that look clean. Avoid overcomplicating your outfits. Effortless style always looks more elegant and expensive. Avoid nervous movements or rushing your gestures. Move calmly and with intention. Keep your hands relaxed and your movements soft. Make gentle eye contact when speaking. Smile naturally, not forced. You know, your energy creates your entire presence. Lack of sleep can make your face look tired and dull. Try to get at least 7 hours of rest every night. Your skin repairs itself while you sleep. Dark circles become more noticeable with poor rest. A well-rested face looks fresh and healthy. Beauty starts with how well you take care of yourself. Drinking enough water improves your skin naturally.
I only drink water.
It helps your body function and look better overall. So refreshing. Dehydration can make your skin look dry and lifeless. Carry water with you as a daily habit. Healthy habits create long-term beauty. Your glow comes from within, not just outside. Take time to care for yourself every single day. Brush your hair, moisturize, and relax your mind. Create small routines that make you feel good. When you feel good, you naturally look better. Your energy becomes softer and more attractive. Taking care of yourself is never a waste of time. Negative thoughts can reflect on your face and energy. This is really true, right?
Come on, now don't.
Start speaking kindly to yourself every day, girl. Replace I'm not enough with I am improving.
Yes, I can do it. God.
Confidence grows from self-acceptance. Believe that you are becoming your best version. And remember this, which is really important. Your glow up begins in your mind first. So yes, my girls, you don't need money to glow up. You just need discipline, consistency, and self-love. So that's it, my girls. I hope you like this video so much. Remember to subscribe to this channel for more tips, and if you want more tips like this, watch this video. Bye girls. Subscribe to the channel, please. Bye.